welcome back to my channel. This is Chinwe. I am super excited about today's video. It is eyebrows tutorial for beginners, going back to the basics using the pencil. Now, if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now. And if you want to see how I achieved this brows that is looking so on fleek, then you need to watch this video. Okay, so let's get into it. I'll see you. Okay, I had to use my bare face, okay, to start off this tutorial. The first step I'm going to be talking about is grooming your eyebrows. You need to get them into your preferred shape as it suits your face, okay, giving it a more natural look, and this you can do using a tweezer or a razor blade. Now, if you look at my eyebrows, you discover that I created a shape of my own that works for me, that suits my face. Alright, so it is important for you to groom your eyebrows, get them into shape before you decide to fill them in with a pencil. If you do not groom first, your brows will not come out well. They will not come out looking sharp, okay? They will not come out looking on flake. And to groom is just to remove the unwanted hair that will be lying underneath your eyebrows or on top. Okay, so you just keep maintaining the shape, because if you do not maintain the shape, they will overgrow and just overshadow that shape which you have created. Alright, just for the purpose of this tutorial, though my brows are looking neat, you know, it's already in shape, but I just want to touch it a little so you could see and understand what I am talking about. And I shall be using this tiger blade here, okay, to achieve this. Okay, so this is my spoolie. I'm going to use it to just brush my brows into shape, okay? You can see how natural is looking. So even if I don't want to fill in my brows using the pencil, I can still decide to step out like this, okay? So grooming is not, you know, totally scraping or taking off everything. No, just get it into a nice looking shape that works with your face. All right, okay, so I'm just going to touch the under and also the top as well. Okay. Okay, so this is my setting powder. The next step will be to set my brows using the setting powder. Okay, I'm just going to apply it to the surface of my eyebrows. So this is the pencil I will be using. It is Davis Eye 03, that's the shade, and it needs to be very sharp so that your brows don't come out looking blur. So I'm going to draw now. I'm going to start from here, which is the beginning, and then take note of the arc where it goes up. That's this bone here where it goes up, and then the tail, okay? This is the concealer I'll be using, LA Girl concealer, and the shade is Fawn, and these are my flat brushes, but I'll use this black one because I'm so used to this black one already. Okay, so let's clean it out. Then you drag or you spread out. Okay. continue to spread out. I don't need to clean the up of the brows again with concealer because it really looks very neat. The most important thing is for you to get your sketch right. It's just your foundation now that is going to, bring it all together. So I'm going to apply my foundation now so you see, okay? So this is the finished look, and I just felt I should do a full face makeup so you just see how it all came together. And I'm gonna do one last thing now to just give it a more natural and very beautiful look. And this is my powder palette. I'm going to be using a powder shade from here just to sweep through my brows. Okay, so wow. Okay, so that is it. Thank you very much for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for really. Why not just click on the button and hit the bell so that when there's a notification you'll be the first to get it, okay? And invite your friends over here because you'll be having more tutorials. Okay, the wig I have on, I made it myself, so you'll be seeing wig making tutorial as well. So do not forget to give the video a thumbs up and also leave me your comments. Okay, so I'll see you soon and stay safe. All right, bye.